Welcome to Everyday Tech Tips for everyday people.
Hey everyone, welcome to Everyday Tech Tips. In this video, I'll show you how to deal with this error. Step 1. Close Outlook. This fix only works when Outlook is closed. Right-click on the Outlook icon in the taskbar and left-click Close Window. Step 2. Find the Outlook OST file. Click on the search box. If you don't have a search box, clicking on the Windows icon does the same. This will open the Run box and type in %localappdata, %\Microsoft\Outlook and press Enter or click OK. Here, we will need to rename or delete the Outlook data file. The maximum size of this file is 50 gigabytes. When it reaches this size, Outlook will stop working. I prefer to rename so the data held inside is still retrievable if needed. I just add the word old to the file name. Step 3. Test Outlook. Now, open Outlook as you normally would. Outlook will now start to resync the data from the email server as shown here. This can take some time. Best to leave Outlook to finish syncing before using it. Otherwise, you may get not responding errors. And that's it. Outlook is now working again. Subscribe for more everyday tech tips. Bye for now.